Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to convert a file from FBX to USDZ and FBX to GLTF for direct download. The direct download method is best suited for users that have their own infrastructure to serve their files to their clients. In this instance, I'm going to use Maya 2019 as my editor tool. The most important thing about exporting with Meshmorph.io to AR is to use the right materials. In this case, I am using the material Stingray PBS, which allows me to do physically based rendering in real time. This model was downloaded from TurboSquid, and it had all the materials prepared for this demonstration. In this case, I am using the color map, the normal map, and the metallic map and the roughness map for this effect. Although it could have better quality in terms of the metallic to my taste, this is good enough for this demonstration. So now I have this model that is not rigged yet, and I'm going to export it. Right now, what I need to do is I need to select all the geometry and do a simple FBX export. So I'm going to set export selection. I'm going to select my location, and I'm going to make sure, very important, that I include my media, embed media. Since this is a model that has not been rigged, I can deselect the animation tab. So animations or anything are not coming with my model. The file format is FBX 2018, works with the latest version of FBX converters. So I'm going to proceed with the export. Yes. Now that I have exported my model, I'm going to go to my portal. Here's my user, and I'm going to go to the Convert Hub, FBX to USDZ. As you can see, here's the section in which I can set this model to be production for with no watermarks or watermarks free. I encourage you to use watermark free while you're testing your model, so you don't spend your tokens in testing phases. Once your model is ready, you select a non-watermark, which for FBX to USDZ is 10 credits. In this case, I'm going to select watermark free. I'm going to choose my file, which is elephant export. This is going to upload automatically. I'm going to exclude this since I have no rigs or not blend shapes with the model. Then I have the apply material property tokens. This is a part of the in the further tutorial. I'm going to explain how to use this section right here. It's very useful, and it will make your life easier in terms of transparencies, masking, etc. Normalized textures is also important because of file sizes. This system will optimize your textures to a max of 1024 if you allow it to. I'm going to say yes in this case. Notice that this system only resizes JPEGs, PNGs, BMPs, and GIF files. Target files and other types of files are not supported yet. Then, automatically published to GLTF. This is the part that separates the direct download from the publishing to my gallery. In this case, I'm going to select no because I want to direct download the file after conversion. Once this is done, I'm going to push submit. I'm going to wait a few seconds for the system to convert. Please don't reload the page until it automatically takes you to this success. Now, I download my file, and here I have my USDZ file. Now, if I want to convert my file to GLTF and download the GLTF, I'm going to the GLTF section, FBX to GLTF section. I also use watermark free, and I choose my file, elephant export. I'm going to skip this part again. I'm not going to apply material property tokens. And then I'm going to say, yes, I want to normalize my textures. I push submit, wait for a few seconds, and here we have the downloadable file. I'm going to show you how you can test your file in GLTF. I'm going to grab my file. I'm going to move it to a different window for now. I'm going to open a really nice tool. It's called Clay Viewer. The Clay Viewer allows you to visualize your 3D models from the browser. So I'm going to extract my files. This is a previous version of the elephant that I had before because I was testing the file. So now that I have the elephant export, I'm going to grab the folder elephant export, and this is going to show me the 3D model that I exported. So this is the way you do direct download with Meshmorph for FBX to GLTF and FBX to USDZ.